Mindful observation exercise. Take yourself to your favorite place in nature. This can be a favorite hiking spot, a local park, your backyard, or even just looking out your window. Choose something to focus your attention on. It can be anything: a tree trunk, a flower, some moss, a rock, a stream, a mushroom, a frog, a bird, anything at all. Devote all of your attention to this object for around 5 minutes. Notice its shape, colors, textures, and patterns. Allow yourself to relax as you observe the object. How would you describe this object to someone who had never seen it before? Notice every detail of the object. Allow your attention to be fully absorbed in looking at the object without judging or analyzing it.